Samsung Notes versus Notein, which note app is better? Choosing the right note-taking app can completely change how you organize your thoughts, without the frustration of losing important information. Let's explore both options. Samsung Notes is a versatile app integrated with Samsung devices, offering a range of features for note-taking. Notein, on the other hand, is designed for simplicity and efficiency across various platforms. The core difference lies in their user experience and feature sets. Samsung Notes is a powerful note-taking application specifically designed for Samsung devices. It allows users to create handwritten notes, sketches, and voice recordings, making it ideal for those who prefer a more personalized approach. The app syncs seamlessly with Samsung Cloud, ensuring that notes are accessible across all devices. One of its strengths is the integration with other Samsung services, such as reminders and tasks, enhancing productivity. However, a limitation is that it may not be as effective for users on non-Samsung devices, as some features are exclusive to the ecosystem. Samsung Notes is perfect for Samsung users looking for a comprehensive solution to manage their notes and ideas. Notein is a minimalist note-taking app that focuses on simplicity and ease of use. It is available on multiple platforms, allowing users to take notes anytime, anywhere, without being tied to a specific device. Notein features a clean interface, making it easy to organize notes with tags and folders. Its strengths lie in its cross-platform accessibility and straightforward design, which appeals to users who prefer a distraction-free environment. However, it may lack some advanced features found in Samsung Notes, such as handwriting recognition and multimedia integration. Notein is ideal for users who value simplicity and are looking for a flexible note-taking solution across various devices. When comparing Samsung Notes and Notein, consider your personal needs. If you are a Samsung device user, Samsung Notes offers a rich feature set that enhances productivity with its advanced capabilities. For example, if you often use handwritten notes or sketches, Samsung Notes provides tools that cater to this style. In contrast, if you frequently switch between devices or prefer a minimalist approach, Notein's cross-platform functionality and user-friendly interface make it a strong contender. The trade-off lies in the depth of features versus simplicity. Samsung Notes excels in functionality, while Notein shines in accessibility and ease of use. For Samsung users seeking a robust and feature-rich note-taking experience, Samsung Notes is the clear recommendation. If you prioritize simplicity and cross-platform access, Notein is the better choice. Both apps serve unique needs, so consider your usage habits before deciding. Happy note-taking!